Do you suffer from major dental problems? Don't worry, we at Kreatív Dental Clinic are here to help you. My name is Dr. Ádám Pánczél. I'm a general dentist specialized in restorative and aesthetic dentistry, and today I'm going to talk about major dental restorations that are available at Kreatív Dental Clinic here in Budapest, Hungary. So, first of all, let's see what a major dental restoration is all about. A major dental restoration is a comprehensive procedure to repair, restore, or replace badly decayed, damaged, or missing teeth. These procedures go beyond simple fillings or cleanings and often involves more complex treatments such as multiple extractions, root fillings, manufacturing dental inlays, onlays, veneers, crowns, bridges, dentures, or even gum and bone augmentation surgery with implant placement into the jawbone. These treatments are suitable for not only a single tooth restoration, but also to repair or replace more extensive damage or missing teeth. In certain cases, we have to involve all of the remaining teeth to restore the entire dentition of the patient. That is what we consider to be a full mouth reconstruction. A major dental restoration requires a careful planning and the expertise of a qualified and skilled dental team to ensure the best possible outcome. If you believe that you might need major dental reconstruction, consulting with a qualified dentist or prosthodontist is the first step. Now let's find out who the ideal candidates for these procedures are. These treatments are typically recommended for patients who have significant dental problems, such as extensive tooth decay, tooth fracture, or tooth loss, severe tooth wear due to extensive erosion, abrasion, or grinding, which we call bruxism. Major dental restorations can also be suggested to patients who suffer from gum disease or advanced periodontal disease that has caused significant bone loss and compromised the stability of the teeth. These extensive treatments can also be beneficial to patients who have jaw or bite problems like TMJ disorder, which stands for temporomandibular joint disorders, or malocclusion that can affect chewing and also can cause pain. Finally, let's not forget the patients who are simply not satisfied with their smile and aim to improve not only the functionality but also the aesthetics of their dentition. Now let's talk about the benefits of the major dental restorations. When you have multiple dental issues, it's definitely beneficial to take a look at the whole picture and instead of dealing with one single problem and having a short-term temporary patchwork, to get a long-term permanent solution. Not only can it decrease the number of your potentially uncomfortable treatments, but can also help you to save a significant amount of money in the long run. Above all, the restoration of damaged or missing teeth leads to a better oral health and an overall well-being. Furthermore, good oral function can reduce the risk of developing gastrointestinal symptoms or diseases, or even malfunctions in the immune system. Apart from functional stability, a major dental restoration can lead to an aesthetic improvement by creating an attractive, natural-looking smile, which can improve the patient's confidence. A full set of healthy, functional teeth can significantly boost self-esteem. Now I'm going to talk about the advanced technologies and techniques that are utilized at Kreatív Dental Clinic. This is the 21st century, so we and our patients at Kreatív Dental Clinic can feel privileged to enjoy the advantages of the leading dental digital technologies. We use digital panoramic X-ray to minimize the radiation for general overview, the assessment of your teeth, and for the initial treatment planning. A CBCT or a CT scan is also available to get more detailed three-dimensional images, especially prior to implant placement planning procedures. We have an exclusive photo room with a special setup to take high-quality digital before and after photographs of the patient's face and mouth. All of our surgeries are equipped with the digital intraoral cameras to explain and show the patient's existing situation and to record data prior to any treatment, as well as using premium quality conventional impression materials, or prosthodontists can also use digital oral scanners to take digital impressions, which are developed to achieve more accurate information for the dental technicians and more comfortable treatments for our patients. Our surgeons can work with custom-made surgical guides and a computer-guided navigation system to be able to place implants into the best position in the jawbone. Kreatív Dental Clinic has a state-of-the-art in-house dental laboratory with highly qualified dental technicians who can use the leading computer-aided CAD/CAM technologies during planning, designing, and milling procedures to fabricate the various dental restorations. The cutting-edge Cabo Arcus Digma functional diagnostic digital system is also available for our prosthodontists to analyze the different movements of the jaws and to achieve the best possible function with the new dental restorations. Finally, let's see the results. We at Kreatív Dental Clinic can proudly say that we have already helped tens of thousands of patients to benefit from one of the above-mentioned major dental treatments, for which we are very grateful and which can be found and read on our website. If you have any requests with regards to your dental issues and struggling to find an affordable solution, please don't hesitate to contact us either directly at Kreatív Dental Clinic here in Budapest, Hungary, or our local native agents in your own country to book an appointment for your initial consultation. For our new patients, we offer a free consultation package, which includes a panoramic X-ray and a detailed examination and assessment with general dentists, prosthodontists, and other specialists, such as an oral surgeon, a periodontist or gum specialist, an endodontist, and an orthodontist specialist. From start to finish, a major dental restoration can be a long journey, so please don't forget, the sooner you start the treatment, the sooner you can finish it and enjoy a new quality of life. On behalf of the team of Kreatív Dental Clinic, I wish you all the best, and I hope that we'll see you soon.